Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. In this video I'm going to be teaching you how to download Sora AI video. So it costs a lot. You can see if you are on a subscription of ChatGPT Plus subscription, you are going to be needing to simply upgrading to ChatGPT Pro subscription, which is going to be costing you $200 a month to download videos without watermark. So that is a huge problem. Now I have a solution for you guys, and what is that is going to be screen recording. So you can head over to a platform called OBS Screen Recorder. Let me just search in here, and just like that, simply search in here for OBS, and you can see we got the software here. Click on this option to download it, and then you are going to be using this to download the videos, and actually not download but screen record it, and it is completely free and also do not have any type of watermark. So you can use this, and you can see you can simply screen record, or you can use your own screen recorder available onto your Windows machine or your Mac machine as well. So yeah, that's how you can do it. I hope this is going to be helping you guys out. Thank you so much for watching. Stay tuned and see you in the next video.